I will show you how to copy a text from a PDF file and convert it into an MS Word document. Let's start it. Look at this file. This is a PDF file. This is a PDF file. Let's open it. This is a PDF document, and we need the text within this PDF file into MS Word documents. Now there are two methods. One, select all the text, and second is press Ctrl A. The all text will be selected automatically. The all text are selected on here. Ctrl A and press Ctrl C. Ctrl C means copy all. Now open. Now here this is an empty or blank MS Word document. Here how you can paste your documents. Just press the right button of the mouse and paste. All of your content is copied from the PDF file to MS Word file. Now here you can edit, you can add, you can remove some text, you can add some text, whatever you want to do. In revision, we can use a PDF content into MS Word document. Select all by pressing Ctrl A, then Ctrl C, copy all text, and in MS Word document press the Ctrl C button to paste all the text that is copied from a PDF file. Here all the text is pasted. This is all the text which are present in that PDF file. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.